All right, so it's extremely important to understand, as you're looking on a 15-minute time frame, you're trading on a 15-minute time frame, price is moving faster on a 15-minute time frame, and trend reversals and uptrends and downtrends, and higher highs and higher lows are forming faster on a 15 and a 5-minute time frame on a faster time frame. So you have to be aware of that compared to a 1 hour and a 4 hour time frame, as price is moving slower on a 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. It takes a whole hour, for a candlestick, on a 1 hour time frame compared to 15-minute candlesticks. 4 hour candlesticks take 4 hours to form on a 4 hour candlestick, opposed to 15 minutes and 5-minute time frame. And so you have to consider what time frame you're looking for entries. If you're looking for entries on a 15-minute time frame, you have to be aware that price is going to fluctuate and move faster on a 15-minute time frame, and can get you out, out these trades faster, as price can fluctuate in trend reversals and patterns, candlestick patterns can, get you out these trades faster and stop you out these trades faster because you're trading on a 15-minute time frame. So you have to analyze the market, the overall direction. You have to look at structure and price, making higher highs and higher lows, and eventually make a higher high. You have to, put that all together, trend line, and once you determine the overall direction, you have to find out what time frame you like to use for entries. If you like to use the 1 hour for it's going to move slower on a 1 hour time frame and a 4 hour time frame. If you like 15-minute time frames, it's going to move faster, and you can get stopped out faster. You have to be aware of that. Where you enter at, as you're on a 15 and a 5-minute time frame, you're entering and trading on a 15 and a 5-minute time frame. I think that's extremely important for your psychology, as you're trading and looking for entries on a faster time frame, compared to the 1 hour. You're looking for entries on a 1 hour and a 4 hour on a slower time frame. So you have to consider that. You have to put that into consideration. As you're trading, and you're looking for entries on a 15-minute time frame, on a faster time frame. All right, so gang, so sticking to your trading strategy is extremely important. As you can see, price on a 15-minute time frame will head back down faster and faster. As you could have gotten a trade one for a buy on a 15-minute time frame, boom, price shoots past your trade fast, all the way down to 1831. You have to be aware of that. As this market can do whatever it wants. Try not to risk too much of your money, as this market can do whatever it wants, and it gets you out of these trades, as price heads faster. All the way down. It took time. No, mind you, it took time. As from February 10th all the way to February 11th, took a whole day for price to get back down and take profit too on a 15-minute time frame. So you have to be aware. All these candlesticks are 15-minute time frames. So every 15 minute, price is heading up and down on a 15-minute time frame. Price is moving faster on a 15-minute time frame. So if you're looking for entries on a 15-minute time frame, be aware of that. As we break this move down. All right, so so you have to understand there's no such thing as perfect entries. As how do we find perfect entries? I'm about to explain that. Um, Not perfect entries, but good entries. We want to try to find the best entry. As we're focusing on entries, and this is for your psychology as well. Anything can happen in this market. So market is fluctuating, and when you're looking for an entry, like price got all the way to take profit 7. Like this is the highest point price been at 1865, take profit 7. It got there in one day from February 11th to February 11th. This Friday, 2022, got all the way to 1865, the highest point price been at this year. So price got to our psychological level, take profit 7, before closing at take profit 7 at 1858. Extremely important, as price can move and fluctuate and move faster. This market can do anything. This happened in one day from 1824, February February 2nd. Actually started here 1820 all the way to 1865. Crazy move. So let's break this down. Looking for entries. As you can see, price rejected off of take profit 5 and headed all the way down to take profit 2. Got everybody out these trades. Even that great trade 1 got everybody out this trade. Boom. So we draw a trend line. Boom. This is how we find entries. We draw a trend line. Boom. Once price makes a higher high, it'll make a higher low. Once price makes a higher low, we get in because we know price is going to make what? A higher high, make market structure. You know, price will make market structure. Price will make a higher high, higher low, and then what? A higher high all the way up to take profit 7. All the way up to take profit 7, we see a higher high. Push all the way up to take profit 7 after we see a higher low, price will make a higher high. For entries again, chances are you're when you're looking for an entry, you want to wait for price to show you some type of, you know, some type of candlestick pattern, you know, at psychological levels. We use all these things as factors, consolidation. We use all these things as factors to determine if price is heading up. We see this hammer pattern right here at 1821. See this nice little hammer pattern. You know, as price is sticking out at the bottom. Sellers try to push price down and buyers push price back up. On a 15-minute time frame, we see that. You know, we have to use all this into a factor. When you're looking for entries, best thing I would tell you is, you know, no price is going to make structure, higher highs and higher lows. Once price may say higher high, a higher low, as you see, price made a higher low right here, and then what? Made a higher high. Made a higher low from here, 1835, all the way down to 1824 before making a higher high. Then 1842 before making a higher low. Next thing I'll make is a higher high. So understanding structure is important. Candlestick patterns, price got to take profit 3, take profit 2. Did not want to get below take profit 2 area. It started pushing back up to what? Take profit 3. Once we got to push back above take profit 3, price consolidated at take profit 3 area. You know, price consolidated at take profit 3 area. Once we got to push above take profit 3, price consolidated at take profit 3 before what? Push take profit 4. Eventually, we take from key level to key level, from take profit 3 to take profit 4, take profit 5. What's next level is what? Take profit 6. Next level is what? Take profit 7. All right, so we have our psychological level. We have to put everything together. As I told you, if you know, understand trend lines. I made videos about this. You know, once price breaks this trend line, we're in an uptrend. You know, we see price break this trend line. We see yellow candlesticks breaking this trend line. Boom, let us know this trend line is no longer in effect. Once price breaks this trend line, this gives us a clear indication that price is heading back up. So this is one of our things that we could have realized. You know, once price breaks this trend line, boom, you know, we can get in for entries. You know, we're looking for entries. So price breaks this trend line, boom, and we could have got in for a great trade. You know, great trade 1, boom, great trade 1, boom. You know, great trade 1. As soon as price breaks this trend line, boom, we see a break of this trend line, boom, and price is heading up. So, you know, all the way up to take profit 7. Could have got in once price breaks this trend line at 1822. And rode this all the way up. This is a great trade. As you get at the bottom, this is where you make the most money at. And rode this all the way up to take profit 5, take profit 7, depending on your lot size, 10K, 20K, 50K, easily, couple thousand easily. So this is a trick to know once price breaks this trend line. On top of our psychological levels, you know, once price gets to our psychological levels as well, you know, it broke this trend line once price got to take profit 2. It broke this trend line, and then this lets us know price is heading up. It consolidates, and then what? Breaks out of this consolidation and heads all the way up. It breaks out of this consolidation right here. We see price break out of this consolidation right here. Boom. Once price breaks out of consolidation, this is called a breakout of consolidation. It heads all the way up to take profit 7. All right, so in our next video, I'm going to show you some more entries and some more ideas how we get in these trades. All right, gang.